What's the news?
It's not good. The doctor says that I'm infertile, that I won't ever be able to have a child.
Maybe they've missed something, maybe we've missed something, you know, there's an option, there is.
Michael, I'm sure.
For fuck's sake, after everything the doctor said, after everything we've tried, we still can't have a fucking kid. Don't touch me.
I'm so sorry.
Just, all I've ever wanted is to have my own kid and to raise my own child, and we can't fucking have that, you know? I don't know, I need to talk to the doctor.
Sam, hi. Can you meet me at the park? Like as soon as possible? It's an emergency. It won't take long. Thank you. I'll see you soon. Sam?
Hey Pam, are you okay?
I just went to the doctor's. I found out that I'm infertile.
Oh no, I'm so sorry.
I told Michael and he's angry with me.
What? It's not your fault.
It is. It's my body that can't give us a child. It's my fault.
It's not. Don't blame yourself. Besides, there is other ways you can have children. You can always adopt.
I know, but Michael always wanted his own kids and he deserves someone who can give them to him.
That's not true. He's lucky to have someone like you. Listen, I need to go to work. Hang in there. Give me a call if you need to talk.
Thank you, Sam.
Idiot, come on, mate, hey? Oh, mate, my shoe, you gotta hurt my shoe, bro, hey? Oh, are they? Go then. I'll give it. Let's go, bro, let's go. Screw this, bro, let's leave, bro. Come here, bro. No, come in.
Oh shit, looking at what we found here.
She okay? Nah, mate, she looks dead. Have a look at her.
Nah. She's just passed out. She's just passed out.
Mate, look, she's dead, bro. She's dead. Look.
She's fucking breathing.
How do you know? Yeah, he made you the bloody doctor. Ah, silly girl.
Fuck. What should we do?
Mate, shut up, mate.
Is that a phone ringing?
Oh, mate, go on, pick it up. Go on, pick
I'm
it
not
up,
gonna
bro.
answer it. Look
Mate,
at
pick
the
it up.
phone.
Yeah, it's probably the doctor, bro. It's probably the
Hello?
doctor.
Pamela?
Nah, this is Larry, bro.
Who the fuck is Larry? Where's Pamela?
I think she's I think she's passed out.
Where?
Yeah, the park.
Basketball court at a park, yeah.
What do you say, bro? What do you say?
Just fucking hung up.
Oh, what a dog.
What if it comes with the police?
You know what? Let's go before this guy shows up.
Let's go,
Let's
bro.
go.
Let's go. Okay, get out of here. Let's go.
Michael? Michael?
You okay?
I think so. What happened?
Did you take the pills again?
Yes. I'm sorry, Michael. I know you're mad
I'm not
at
mad.
me.
I'm not mad.
I'm disappointed, obviously, but it's your fault, you know, and I just can't help but love you, and I'm sorry. I'm just